6 high-protein snacks you can eat on the go. 1. The power of protein. The difference between a snack that has staying power and one that leaves you hungry an hour later? Protein. This nutrient is a hunger-busting powerhouse because it slows digestion and keeps blood sugar steady, and research shows protein helps keep cravings at bay. Protein can help you lose weight because it increases satisfaction, and when you feel satisfied from your eating plan, you're better able to stick with it, says Alexandra Oppenheimer, RD, of Ambitious and Nutritious. But it's not like you can cook up a chicken breast and eat it in the car, so we've rounded up 6 protein-packed snacks that you can take with you anywhere. 2. Single-serve cottage cheese. 20 grams per 5-ounce serving. Greek yogurt is the be-all and-all for high-protein dairy snacks? Think again. A single-serving container of non-fat cottage cheese boasts 3 grams more protein than a typical serving of Greek yogurt and is just 110 calories. Plus, it gives you 125 milligrams of bone-building calcium. Keep in mind, though, it runs high in sodium, supplying 20 to 30% of your daily quota. 3. Hard-boiled egg. Eggs used to be considered a nutritional no-no due to their high cholesterol content. Today, though, most nutritionists agree that they're a powerhouse breakfast or snack when enjoyed in moderation. In addition to protein, the humble egg gives you a hearty dose of vitamin D and vitamin B12 for just 77 calories apiece. Best part, they're easy to take on the run, just remember to peel them before you go to make eating them on your commute a snap. Even better, some convenience and grocery stores sell hard-boiled eggs in packages of 2, so they're a snap to snatch up when traveling. 4. Peanut butter pack. You probably wouldn't throw a jar of peanut butter into your handbag, but for convenience and natural portion control, you can carry individual squeeze packs of nut butters, like those from Justin's, alongside your wallet and mobile phone. A single serving portion of Justin's peanut butter contains 190 calories and is made with just peanuts and palm fruit oil, no added sugars here. Smear on a banana to up the antioxidants and fiber, suggests Oppenheimer. 5. Mini cheeses or string cheese. Mini Baby Bell wheels or Sargento sticks are great because they're individually wrapped for easy toss in your purse portability, and they won't get squished, either. If you're trying to lose weight, choose one that says part skim on the label, advises New York City registered dietitian Martha McKittrick. You can still get some satiating fat but will save calories, she says. 6. Single-serve oatmeal packets or cups. Just add hot water, stir, and you've got a warm bowl of protein and fiber-packed oats in minutes for 150 to 200 calories per serving, depending on which flavor you choose. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.